We purchased this property for about $16,000. So this specific property is a 2-unit, right? And this is just the first floor. You get upstairs, that's the second floor. But it doesn't have a basement. It has a crawl space. But when we lifted up the floors, all the joists, they weren't in good shape. We also had to install a metal beam. Right here, we had to install a metal beam. And we reinforced the other beam by pretty much just adding some footers and some columns to hold it up. But what you see is all new joists, all new floor joists. We ran some of our plumbing for our drains underneath. We basically connected to the main sewer, put the camera in, everything was still good. And now we just working our way up. So we gonna have our tub area. It's ran right here. Our tub, a real nice bathroom. We got our sink and toilet over there. And then this is gonna be a drain for the furnace and hot water tank area. It's gonna stop probably about like right here. Then that's gonna be a bedroom. So you're gonna have furnace, hot water tank right here, 1 bedroom, closet gonna be in a little space right here, refrigerator, washer and dryer hookup, closet, 2nd bedroom. Then it's gonna be a 3rd bedroom all the way in the front. This is gonna be our bathroom. This is gonna be our kitchen. Our kitchen sink most likely gonna go right there. We're gonna have an island, and then you're gonna have, the open concept. Pretty much just letting y'all see things. And another thing I want to talk about, something that we noticed, is that a lot of joists, they was getting water in them that was still coming inside. So what we decided to do was wrap it with this this flashing paper. It's almost like duct tape, but it's gonna hold as a water barrier, a moisture barrier, so nothing is able to get in over time. Just trying to do it the proper way for the most part. But as y'all can see, we got this place entirely open. Unc right there doing that. We got Trent in here. We got Poncho, Victor, Chewy, Ray, the whole squad. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of us coming into the future videos. But let me know what y'all think about just seeing it open wide like this. Usually these land bank properties, they definitely need a lot of work. They need a lot of work. But we was able to, upstairs we're gonna add a bedroom and a bathroom, and then down here we're just gonna add a bedroom. That's gonna give us that extra value. So should come back around 400,000 or so. We're gonna put in about 240. 240 all in 260, worth about 400,000. So do the math. But let me know what kind of color cabinets we should do. Let me know what you guys think, what type of tile we should look into. I want to bring y'all along this process with us. Yep. We got some blocking going in right here, and blocking. It's just so these joists don't twist and turn. So we got a lot of blocking going through right there too. Got a lot of blocking going. And now we pretty much just wait on our first inspection, which is our underground inspection. So once we get our underground inspection going, we can kind of close up things, put our plywood down, and start framing this place up. We bricked up a couple windows right there. We was going to keep them open because they was going to be closets, but instead of having a refrigerator just stand out in the open, we pushed it back. So now that's going to be, closed off. It's going to look real nice. Yep. Let me go outside and show y'all the back. It's a bit loud. So we painted the back. Decided to paint the back. Tuck pointed everything. Carved in a new window. We got our lintel installed up there. We got to break all this concrete up because it's not pitched properly. We tuck pointed the sides. Tuck pointed everything. We removed the chimney. Definitely got to do all this concrete over, get this landscape going. We removed the gate so far. Remove the gate. The front of it looked good. We didn't have to do too much to it, so that was a plus. So this was a living room, actually, and this was the bedroom window. But what we decided to do up here was make this a bedroom. This pretty much going to be a master bedroom with a master bath right here on top. So that's how we was able to, add that extra value so you can make some money on the back end with those properties. Yeah. And we on the west side of Chicago with this land bank property. It looks good so far. It looks nice and straight. Once you tuck point it and you clean up everything, it's gonna look like that. Still a lot of work to do. We're gonna step in here. See what the plumber got going on. And pretty much, we had to put a wire right here just so this bathroom upstairs, it needs its own drain. So we're gonna kind of come in straight up between that wall and go straight up to the second floor.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So we demoed everything out. Now we just, working on the underground plumbing. So y'all give me some feedback. Let me know if we should rent this or if we should sell it to a homeowner. Let me know in the chats. Also, let me know what other topics you want me to discuss or what type of things you want me to go over when it comes to real estate. Definitely got our permits going in. So we usually hang them up on the front just so people can see them. They come by, inspectors or anybody, just to know we got permitted work. That's important. A lot of people try to skip that step. That's not a step that you want to skip because you might end up getting a stop work order. And if you get a stop work order, in Chicago, they charge you about $1,250. So just keep that in mind about getting that stop work order. But I'm excited about this one as well. I'm going to make sure I keep y'all in tune. So y'all just stay tuned for this. Like this, subscribe, share this, and I look forward to showing y'all how this turned out. And I will see y'all in the next one. Westside Landlord checking out.